Forest drums. Welcome to printing drums in 3D. Long time no see. I had a lot of stuff to do in my private life. Things kept changing and changing. But I'm back and a lot of things happened. And I just wanted to show you some of my drums that I have already printed. Those. Some folks that just followed my channel the last year, maybe you will remember this drum and maybe this drum and the snare drum with those special, can you see it? Special inside. And my latest achievement is, have a look. A bass drum, 24-inch bass drum, printed on a high-end printer. I didn't do it on my own, but I constructed it, and the whole idea is by myself. There are some holes to fill in the hollow shell to have a different sound. And another hole here is to have space for a lot of cables going in for 1 or 2 mics that will be mounted inside here, hanging in there. There's a special design for this drum. That means there's one angle going in here that is pretty steep, and there's another angle on this side, 45 degrees. So it's a kind of a conical drum. It's an iconical drum. Yes, it is. And the sound is pretty amazing for now. It's a 24-inch bass drum, but on this side it has a lot of attack, and on the other side it's really, well, it's like a gong tom, I would say. And I'll have to just check it out with professional microphoning. And this is just a